Tribute by the wife, Nana Konadu Agyemang Rawlings. Wonder at the world. We skipped along with heads held high. Our flag of hope unfurled. Enthusiasm filled our. But then our path grew steep and rough, and clouds obscured the sun. Through troubled times, to ease the hurt away, with caring hands and gentle touch, it helped us through each day. So as the road goes winding on, step bravely, mile by mile. Just as the poem states, we started on a journey, one that was free and easy in spirit. I was innocent, and you were streetwise. There was so much I did not know and understand about the real life outside their roof. I had to learn to understand how to be streetwise, move along with the flow of your friends and acquaintances, but it still did not sit well with me. It went against all the upbringing I have. It changes its spots. I was who I was based on family values. I decided I could not change for the sake of love. You finally understood me, to take me as I am. Snooty. I refused to accept that. I said it was based on my values. We had our ups and downs. However, our foundation of love for each other kept us together. We got married, but it did not sit well with me, and I said no. And you very quickly told me you were just tricking me to see my reaction. Family was very important to me. That is all I knew. So it wasn't a military wedding. Because of your disillusionment, there are several reasons we send girls to school. But when you get married, you advised you to encourage me in my endeavors because I tried. It was not easy, but I knew I had you as my support. All morning, cleaning the house and doing all manner of chores before I asked too tiresome or bothersome for you, as you sought to take care of your young family. Which meant, let the darkness in. Intelligence, culminating in the historic trial after the May 15th uprising. Quote Iris Helseden, but then our path grew steep and rough and clouds obscured the sun. As problems raised their worried heads, we indeed lost our sense of fun. Our little oasis to an open refuge for all manner of people that believed in your Palia Santwa. It felt like the nation were into our apartment, strangers and friends, visions we had for the children. December Revolution started. With all the difficulties, improvements to the national economy were clearly visible, and I would bring the girls over to visit on weekends and fortnightly. They never could hold back their excitement. Give me your eyes and ears to what was going on around the country. You trusted in the integrity and support. We were able to make the fight for women and children's rights a reality with the passing of the testaments to your concern for your nation when you were made aware of the difficulties women were facing in the country. You never hesitated assiduously on empowering the Ghanaian women. I knew my passion to transform the lives of women could become a reality. I had dreams of improving the lives of the urban poor communities. They totally disagreed with my style. I changed lanes like a sports car, pushing past two trucks driving side by side. I decided to move from the north to the south, east to the west of Ghana. Reports got to you that I was disturbing the People's Defense Committees. After listening to my rationale, you gave me a thumbs up in many fields. With all the opposition I got within the PNDC government, only one male appointee supported me, BBD Asamoah, who urged me on with the women's programs I was doing, since they hold half of the sky. So their empowerment will reflect on how the children in Ghana will grow and develop as well. To raise my own funds, if I felt the cause was important enough, I went all around the world. But I know that God created us for each other. We believed in each other and in our dreams. I dare say we did not do a bad job. As you worked as irrespective of their origins or creed, we were a team apart in my own way. You always said you did not need titles to define you, so you remained flight lieutenant. But for most, you remained chairman. To me, you were and always will be Jerry, my love, my life. He's the kaleidoscope of the rainbow. the rich gleam of the fox's fur, the shy gaze, the whisper in the wind, the song in the rain, a day, an eternity. Rest in perfect peace, my love. May you...
Wife, Nana Konadu Agyemang Rawlings, read by Princess Amina. Commander, this is the most...
When the night has come and the land is dark, and no, I won't extremely well.